Look at that house. All right, before you pull on the reins, what word? Whoa, and now pull. Great, you finally did
On
it.
a
Hold
dime.
it.
On a dime. Look at it.
Perfect. Grab those reins, right? Never let those reins go. Never, 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 never. Okay. Ready? Okay. Okay. Jim, okay? Good dog, good job. All right, let's walk a little bit. Hey, show me one more barrel turn. Show me, yeah, that's where that hand's supposed to be. Look up, look up, look up. Hands down, good. Boy, that was awesome. That was awesome. Let's walk a lap. Let's walk a lap. Then should we let Brandon get on him? Yeah. Should we let him get on? Okay, let's walk a lap. Come on. Come on, man. Then Tori's out there trying to ride bareback with no bridle, no rein. Troy, if I see you do that, you're going to be in big trouble. Because if you slip, you're going to get killed. You big meatball. That way's fine. So, sweetie, come on, meatball.
How is she trying to get on the horse bareback?
There's a big old horse out there.
Yeah, but she's sitting on the ground.